Want to surpass your diabetes and lower your A1C? Join a diabetes empowerment team that lowered my A1C from over 13 to under 6. All goals, including health and diabetes, are challenging. Yet we don't have to isolate, cower, shrimp, give up, or do it alone. Humanity's greatest fear isn't inadequacy, but the responsibility that comes with success and the courage to embrace one's power beyond measure, especially in critical areas like diabetes. If you're serious about unlocking your health potential, cash in on our powerful support. Learn how the athletes do it. Master the tools to get healthy and overcome diabetes. Transform yourself and others. We'll certify you in communications and life coaching. Meet and brainstorm with like-minded trainers, friends, and coaches. Enjoy meaningful times around your priorities and have the time of your life. But what if you don't have an empowerment team? I'm Joseph of Personal Empowerment Teams and author of Legacy Portal. Empowerment teams helped me overcome the many aspects of poverty and addiction. They helped me increase my income from $40,000 annually to $120,000 monthly, earning $3.5 million by age 47, lowering my A1C from over 13 to under 6, losing 60 pounds that I gained after I broke my back in a near-death car accident. Empowerment teams helped me build a blessed life to share with others and make the world a better place. So join us in paying it forward. Meet like-minded trainers, friends, and life coaches with similar success stories and have the time of your life. In closing, I'm giving away 3 diabetes and empowerment courses valued at over $5,000 each. Thank you for watching and sharing with others. Subscribe, like, comment, and claim your free diabetes and empowerment course to become who and what you want to be this year.